Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got in the mail my BOXYCHARM for the month of December, and I figured why not just do these monthly and show you guys what I get in the month, and we'll go from there. We'll do a little bit of a try on haul and a review for you. So if you guys want to see what I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so the theme this month is 'Tis the Season. So it's like season, like the season. So I think that's really cute. So let me do some math. Alright, so BOXYCHARM is $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products. And this month's total is $161. So you get a little bang for your buck. Okay, first thing in the box is this hair care, and it's Miraggio Anti-Frizz Smoothing Serum. So obviously I can't test that out today, but I will and get back to you guys. Let me read a little bit about it. So you get 10 little capsules. You cut the capsule off, like looks like this. You twist this off, you put this in your hair, and it says it's supposed to tame frizz. And you empty the entire capsule into the palms, rub together. Distribute evenly, style hair with a blow dryer, and then brush. So put this on your hair when it's wet. So I'm going to test this out, and then I'll give you guys a little review on that. Next thing in the box is this. I'm not sure. It's from PYT. Oh, it's a little straightener. Look how cute. Okay, let's test this bad boy out. Aw, I've never had anything like with hair care a lot before. Let me undo this. So these mini straighteners are really good for getting around your face. Those little baby hairs. Travel on the go. Perfect for your carry-on bag. So it's supposed to get up to 400 degrees. It's pretty powerful for this little thing. Let me plug it in and see how quickly it heats up. And this is $75. Oh, wow, it's already getting hot. Why am I touching that? Hey, Oliver. Okay, let's give these little baby hairs a shot. Ow. Kind of like pulls. Ow, it's like actually pretty hot. My hair is like super black, so it's hard to tell, but let me zoom you guys in. I mean, not bad. It does get all the little baby hairs, which is nice. But it pulls the hair. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's like a necessity. But I mean, I guess it's nice to have. So next thing in this month's box is this Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's cute. It's little. You get very little pans, but let's give it a shot. So I'm going to use this Havana Nights, the middle one, and pack this on. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty pigmented. Okay. I like that. Let me try this Tuscan Sunrise. Has some shimmer in it. A little bit of rosy cheeks, why not? And then let's try the City Lights palette. Taking some on the brow bone. This is a really pretty gold shade for a highlight. I like that. So, I mean, it's really nice because it's little and it's travel friendly, but you don't really get too much. Like, the size of the pans are really little, so let me see how much this was. $26. Like, I'm not sure if it's worth $26 for the size, but the quality is good. So, I mean, it's pros and cons. You gotta weigh it out, see if it's worth it. But, I mean, you buy the whole box for $21 and then get 5 full-size products. Like, you can't beat it. So, just this is already paying for the box. So, next thing in the box is this lip liner from Bodyography. It's in the shade Barely There. Let's zoom you guys on in and see how this works. I see why it's named that. It's like not coming off. And my lips are really chapped right now, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. Did it do anything? Who knows? Okay, so I'm not sure if that did anything. I mean, the color is really close to my lip shade, so that might be why, but I would probably skip on buying this if I was to repurchase, or I don't know. I'm just not a big fan. Like, I probably will never reach for this. Next thing is this Tarteist lip paint, which, do you see this color? It's like purple. What am I going to do with purple? But let's give it a shot. Why not? Smells very good. So it's not like you're just putting like straight purple on the lips, but I wish I would have got a different color. Like, I'm not a big fan of this pinkish purple. This is probably my favorite thing out of the whole box this month, which is a bummer. I'm not really impressed this month, to be honest with you. I mean, this lip gloss, it's nice. I would probably top it over like a pink or a purple or even like a nude. It's definitely wearable. Like, when I look at it just like this, like, it looks like, wow, like purple. Like, what am I gonna do with that? But I mean, it's okay. I love the smell of it though. It's really nice. But I'm like looking at myself in the viewfinder and I am loving this highlight. Like, it is pretty poppin', I'm not gonna lie. So, overall this month, I wasn't too impressed like I normally am. I feel like the past 2 months have not been their best, but I still love BOXYCHARM. I love trying out new products. I love, you know, trying out new brands too. So, I mean, for $21, you get to try out 5 new products a month. If it doesn't work out for you, ship it over to your mom, your grandma, your friends. Why not? So, I know I'm probably going to give this lip liner to my mom because she loves lip liners, because I probably will never use it ever again. But overall, I'm really excited to try out this hair care product, see if it actually works, and I'll let you guys know how I do like it. And then, hair straightener, I would pass on. I wasn't too excited about it. I mean, it did straighten, it did the job, but I feel like the plates were like kind of pulling at my hair, which is not very pleasant. But I mean, it is travel friendly. It's logical if you do need something to, you know, quick touch up if you are traveling and you can only pack light. It's really nice to have, you know, to grab and on the go. For $21, you get $161 worth of product. Like, that is mind-boggling to me. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's BOXYCHARM review and try on. I know there wasn't so many products for me to try on this month, but hopefully January's BOXYCHARM steps it up a little bit because I wasn't really impressed. But overall, I love BOXYCHARM and I love the idea behind it. So if you guys want to, subscribe and get their subscriptions every month, then just go to BOXYCHARM.com. I can leave it down below for you guys. And then sign up. It's $21 a month and you get to try out 5 new products and it's totally worth it. So if you guys don't subscribe already, please do so and give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one.